Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night. Previously, I was MSK Abid. I would do an interview by Genius Halawa Brother to fulfill an English semester exam achievement.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. Introduce. My name is Tama. I am a graduate of the LPP Polytechnic with a scientific discipline of chemical engineering with a concentration in the scope of oil palm plantation. And I am on one of the recipient awards of the BPDPKS scholarship. During college, I often participated in internal and external campus organization, including the Student Representative Council or DVM, Chemical Engineering Student Association, and Nature Lovers Student for Internal Organization, and the Lampung Student Association Regional Organization for its external scope. During my college years, I had an internship experience in the BBIP Palm Group Company, one of the crude palm oil production processing companies in Riau Province, and participated in the independent campus program Campus Merdeka. Therefore, with my background above, I can corporate and commit to this company.
Okay, what is your motivation to work here?
Okay, sir, thank you. In addition to getting a job, my motivation for applying for a job at this company is to make a positive contribution. I also want to channel and share my work, skill, knowledge. Then I want to build relationship, and help to workers do success and achieve target.
Tell me about your strengths.
My strengths is being able to work with a team, good teamwork and leadership, and is happy to learn new things.
Tell me about your weakness.
Okay, my weakness is that I'm not a good time management. To overcome that, I prepare a timeline of activities before I move so that my time can run optimally.
What are your plans for the next 5 years?
Okay, sure, thank you. My focus in this 1 and 2 years is to explore this field of work so that I can take one more responsibilities in the next 2 or 3 years. I have great interest in this industry and its potential for the future, and I think this company is the right place to make that happen.
Okay, why should we hear you?
I know this company has one of its mission, which is to produce high quality product and provide the best service to all its partners. Before I applied for this company, I had an internship experience in a crude palm oil processing factory. In that internship, I I knew the flow of oil production from oil from upstream to downstream and is mentored by competent production assistant. So I believe I can contribute more to this company.
Okay, what is the greatest achievement in life?
The greatest achievement in life, I can go to college with a 100 full scholarship funded by the BPD PKS institution. And I got internship experience in a farm oil production company.
What kind of work environment do you want?
The work environment I want is a work environment that can work with a team, because in a factory environment I have to believe in performance with my colleagues, and I am passionate about work that deals with many people.
What is your weakness? Achievement, Mr. Rawin.
Okay, thank you, Share. I took part in an internship program from campus at a farm oil processing company in Kampar Regency, Riau. There, as intern, I was taught how to know the flow of the farm oil production process, operate the equipment, know the quality standard and performance of the tool, and know the flow of processing waste oil, which is used liquid fertilizer from for oil farm plantation. This is an experience that I have not had anywhere before I went to college.
Okay. What is your biggest failure? To describe a moment when you felt like a failure.
Okay, thank you, sir. My biggest failure is when I don't use my precious time while I was in college with various valuable activities. By using my team as best I can and doing activities that are useful for myself and others. I should be able to do various activity by building some of my plans, and I won't put it up any longer from now on.
Okay, Mr. Rawin. Why did you move the resign from your old job?
Before working at the Fravwest company, I learned a lot and developed myself. But I want to expand my experience by working in different profession, of course, with new colleagues to improve my competence. I am ready to be collaborative and competitive during the transition period. I hope you like it.
Wow. What do you enjoy do? What do you enjoy doing outside of work? Or tell you us about your hobbies?
Okay, sir. Outside of work, I enjoy more holiday with my family and upgrade my skill by reading books and listening up to the podcast.
Oh, how much salary do you want, Mr. Abid?
I certainly want to be able to get a suitable salary, but can we discuss in more detail this position first to get a clear picture of the work being carried out?
Do you have any question for us?
Okay, thank you, sir. Question for us: can you tell us about the culture in this company? Okay, thank you. For
Terus aku jawab apa?
Thank you for Genius Halawa, brother, uh and sorry from the failure of the speaking from my English. I close this interview. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.